So you are also the one who uses Google Ads to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically add your Google Ad leads into your Google Sheets. Yes, you heard it right. Automatically add your Google Ads leads into your Google Sheets without knowing any programming or coding language. And yes, you can also set this up for your own business within minutes. But if you also want to learn how you can do this, for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin with this automation. So as you can see that I have already logged in my Pabbly Connect account and I am on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you haven't logged in your Pabbly Connect account, you're going to get the URL of the landing page of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Go on that URL, sign up for free. If you are a new user, you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, you can directly log in into your Pabbly Connect account and come on this workflow window and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application we have to search for Google Ads and select Google Ads. So let's search for it and select it. For the event we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now it has given me the webhook URL using which we're going to create a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this webhook URL and open our Google Ads campaign. So as you can see that this is the campaign which is in draft mode right now, and I'm going to add the lead form in this campaign. So I'm going to add this lead form, go towards this add lead form, and I'm going to select the details which I want to capture and add in my Google Sheets. So as you can see, the details which I want to capture is first name, last name, email, phone number and company name. So I've selected all of this right over here, and now I'm going to add the webhook URL in this lead form. So I'm going to scroll and I'm going to see the option of this lead delivery option. So now we have to add the webhook URL right over here. We have to open this lead delivery option, and for the webhook URL we are going to paste the URL which we copied from the workflow and enter a key. And after entering both of these details we have to click on this send test data, and once we click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. Alright, so let's open our workflow and we're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the test data. This means that we have successfully created a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. So yes, as you can see that I have received these test details. Like for the last name I've received last name, for the first name we have received this first name because I am not running a live campaign. My campaign is in draft mode, so I've received the test lead details. But if you are running a live campaign, you can definitely receive the live lead details right over here as webhook response, and you can add those details into your Google Sheets. I'll show you how. So as you can see, we have successfully received these details. So now let's add these details into our Google Sheets. So let's close this trigger and go towards this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, we have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, we have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, you can go towards this select an existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now we have to click on this sign in with Google. And once we click on this sign in with Google, Pabbly is asking me to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. So let's select the Gmail account with the help of which we are going to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for some permissions, so let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now it is asking me for the spreadsheet and the sheet in which I want to add the details. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is lead details and the sheet is sheet 1. Alright, so let's select the same. For the spreadsheet name, I'm going to select it as lead details and select the sheet as sheet 1, and one by one I'm going to enter all of these details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by typing typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's the reason why we do mapping. So you also have to map all of these details so that your workflow can run in real time and automatically the lead details get changed whenever you receive a new lead. So let's map all of these details, and you have to keep in mind that you only have to map this string value. And after mapping all of these details, we have to click on this save and send test request. And now you can see we have received the positive response that we have added these details in our Google Sheets. And as you can see, the details have been added in my Google Sheets. Yes, you can see the same first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. All the details are exactly the same which we received as the response right over here. And now I have successfully added these details into my Google Sheets. And now what is going to happen is that whenever we receive a new lead form entry from this campaign, automatically the details of that lead will be added in my Google Sheets. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just simply add the workflow link in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this amazing and very useful automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.